If I was to explain in one sentence why my team and myself love to use Jamf, the ability to control everything at scale while also being granular is unmatched. My name is Alton Brailovskiy. I work for Bitsight Technologies out of Boston, and I'm an IT engineer there. So a little bit about Bitsight. We're a cybersecurity ratings company. In terms of our deployment, we've been with Jamf for quite a long time now. When I took it over at this point about 2.5 years ago, definitely getting it to a more of a mature state than it was. Our self-service was not very big. We didn't have kind of our internal app store. A lot of things were just ad hoc. People were downloading stuff kind of randomly here and there. In terms of deployment and kind of some of the things that we use, app installers, we're very, very heavy users of those. And that has honestly made kind of the admin side a lot easier. And we implemented patch days and just makes kind of everybody's life and the employee's life just frictionless, which is great. We definitely utilize a lot of other security tools to kind of assess kind of our posture. What success ultimately looks like is all those tools kind of agreeing and kind of showing the same things and all kind of aligning and all stemming from Jamf because that is usually the source of truth. And so utilizing things like the dashboard, even down to like app installer patching, like just having everything kind of in one pane of glass almost. On the admin side and on the kind of leadership side, it helps me show our effort and kind of why our team is basically valuable to the company. So Jamf has provided me the opportunity to expand and grow my career. Just aside from being a regular admin, it's allowed me to expand my skills and have honestly kind of a love for what I do.